Hey everyone, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday, and we have an old one here. This was like at the bottom of my bin of backlog boxes. This is the Got a Story 5MO3. I'm not really sure what MO they're on. I want to say it's probably like 8 or 9. I think I just opened up one of the later boxes. Hopefully this one's good. Usually if I recall the 5MO series, I'm always kind of iffy on. Hope I get that card. Yeah, like I said, I don't even know if this box is in print anymore. Probably not. But yeah, let's take a look. Where did I slice her open and get inside? Hope you've been enjoying all of these Got a Story boxes. I've been kind of not buying them for a while, and I gotta tried to get caught up, but I've had, like I said, I've had this one for a while now. So yeah, let's dive right in here. I always do appreciate the front of these boxes. It's always really nice. And the cards inside are usually pretty good. So yeah, let's start off the bat with pack number 1. I'm not used to opening up packs that have more than 2 or 3 cards in them, so these always feels like a luxury. But then again, I get a ton of dupes usually. And I'm gonna have to apologize if I get dupes because yeah, this has cards from the 5MO2 series, which I'm sure I opened up a year ago at this point. But yeah, fun to get a Miko from the Hatsune Miku series. I do recognize this card. Yeah, from the 5MO2. And of course, Love Live. Love Live was pretty rampant. 5MO1, so this has 3 series in it. Love Live was pretty rampant in the early Got a Story box days. Man, 5MO1. I'm gonna have to dig up those old binders with those cards in them to see if I got any that are missing. Nice. Hopefully you get 1 SR card in each pack. That would be nice to get. But yeah, lots of cards in here. That one's very cool. Damn. Yeah. Really old. I do remember this card, MO3. Or I just know this character. Please tell me I didn't open up a box of these already. I just did that the other day. Totally spaced. Never done that before. But when you open up 1 of these a week for a year, you kind of forget what you have. Ooh, nice Genshin SSR. These must be fairly new then if there's Genshin cards in them. All right, pack 3. That's cool. Yeah, 5MO1. I do not remember opening up the 5MO1 boxes. Was that one of the Fate boxes that are out of print now? That one got a ton of views. I do remember that. Yeah, wow. I got pretty good like picture memory, so I am starting to remember some of these actually. Yeah, another Genshin card. I wonder if this is when the Genshin Impact cards started appearing in these. All right, pack 4. This one feels thicker, but I don't think so. Oh, nice. Yeah, the first card, I don't remember getting this many Miku style cards. Interesting. Maybe I don't have a 5MO2 box. I do remember that. MO3. So maybe I open up an MO3 box. Man, that would be a shame. Very cool. Look at that. Old school Sailor Jupiter. Dupe of that one. That one. That one looks familiar. All right, pack 5. Yeah, the first card in every box or pack has so far been from the Miku series. 5MO2. Maybe that box went out of print and I never grabbed it. So I don't recognize some of these. Good old Love Live. It is just all over the place. Samba Day Loves You. All right, pack 6. Hopefully I get like one of these cards. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Not too bad. See, this one looks familiar, and it's from MO3. Man. Ooh, another Sailor. Is this, is that Jupiter still? Man, getting all these like band characters. All right, lucky 7. Let's get something good here. So far, I'm not too enthralled by this one. Dupe of that. I just hate getting cards from 3 sets. Yeah, all this Love Life. I remember those days. Every card felt like a Love Live character. Yeah, that one looks familiar too. Maybe it's the art style. MO1. This one looks familiar too. MO2. I bet you I'll get the whole band. At this rate. All right, pack 8. Dupe of that one, that one, that one I think, that one. MO1. Ooh, Sailor Moon, very nice. See, I don't remember getting this card. MO2. I must have not got an MO2 box. 5MO2. Interesting. Yeah. Oop, I got a box waifu at least. It's always fun. Clarinet girl. Or no, oboe. That's an oboe. All right, pack number 9. Dupe of that and that. And that's a Pokemon trainer. Pretty good. I'm sure I got that one ready. This one too. She looks like a box. Nope. Yeah, MO1. Gosh, that's a dupe. Yeah, all of this, they must all be from this anime. Was the trumpet? It's a good anime? Who knows? All right, pack 10. Dupe of that. Probably a dupe. That's definitely a dupe. That's a dupe. That one's a dupe. Ooh, Sailor Mercury. Nice. Not so sure about the art style, but gotta love these characters. And the eye patch trope has came back. And is this a tenor saxophone? I think. Interesting. All right, moving along to pack number 11. Doesn't feel like there's a ton of MO5 cards in this box. That's a dupe, I'm sure. Yep. Dupe, probably, yeah. Again, Love Alive. Sailor, I don't know which one that is. Again. Interesting. That's crazy. Pack 12. At least they're not dupes, I guess. I think that's a dupe. Gosh. Yeah. I've seen that one before for sure. But yeah, weird. Man. 5MO2. Yeah, that one looks familiar. 5MO2. Oh yeah, Carino. Pretty sure I got that one already. MO1, yep. Oh, nice. I think I got that one too. Yep. That's a dupe. And a different SSR finally. This is from a different set. Nope. Nice. All right, lucky 13. That's a dupe for sure. No. I had to have gotten like the rectangular box from this. Very strange. Huh. You'd think I'd remember all the boxes I buy, and I don't remember getting any of these. Is this Venus? Sailor Venus? Man, look at this. I got a featured card. That's a first. I don't know that I've ever gotten the front flap girl. Wow. Look at that. That's pretty good. That is really good. Who is that, though? I don't know. It's a nice card. Oh, it's like a spider girl. Ha. Nice. That was lucky. Is that 13? Yeah, that was lucky 13. Nice. This is 14. Good old Love Life. More Love Life. Gosh. Was it that popular? Maybe there's just a ton of fan art for it. And different SSR finally. All right, 15. Let's get these out of here. I mean, you just get a ton of cards. They're all from old, well, that's new. From the older sets, at least. unfortunately. That's a dupe. I'm not sure about that one. Yep. So the theme of the SSRs are maids and like band members. All right, 15, 16, 16. Dupe of that one, and that one, and that one, and probably this one. Yep. Gotta love getting this sailor, this is Mars, right? Love getting the sailor characters. And who is this? Is this the girl from Chobits? All right, 17. Dupes, of course. Always getting dupes. That is my life. Here we go. Nice. Old though. Oh, I got a, what is this? A PTR finally. Did I get one from the box? No. Looks like MR cards are in here too. Man, I wish I would have got this. That one's cool. That's like signed-ish. But who is this? There's like a Shinji wannabe here. Who is this? I don't know. Bummer. All right, 18. Dupes of these. All dupes. Not sure about that one. That one's a dupe. This one's a dupe. And I got an SSR. I gotta say, I'm not too much of a fan of the SSRs in this set. All right, penultimate pack, 19. Dupes, of course. Yep. Again, not a fan of some of these SSRs. All right, final pack, number 20. Let's get another good card. Let's get a super ultra rare card. It don't look like I did. Just a bunch of dupes. And finally in an okay SSR. Maybe. Not a fan of this type of like hair piece. Definitely old school hairstyle. Wow. So yeah, that was the 5 MO3 box that had 5 MO1 and MO2. I'd have to say this is my favorite for sure. I always liked getting these cards that have the kind of like colored stamping art. So yeah, please let me know what your favorite was. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.